There you go. Okay, so yeah, we can have a look if you want. Let me, I need
Yeah.
to enable you to share. So you should be okay to share now. And we can have a look and debug that if you want to.
Yeah, because I don't know what I did wrong or you know.
Mhm.
I mean, the only thing that I had to change was this last area, isn't that
Yeah.
correct?
Oh, can you zoom in a bit
Sure.
on that? I think you get the old version actually. Maybe I put the wrong link to the older one because that's the one that's
Well,
at this
it
step
said it
where,
completed
yeah,
down
yeah, yeah,
here. Oh,
yeah. But you see, those first three turned green, and this one didn't process.
oh,
And well, just
okay.
so yeah, maybe my link was pointed to the old one, and I'm sorry for that.
No, I mean, it
But
could
this
have
is
been
the
me. I'm
one.
not sure. Should we
Yeah,
check?
that's the one that fails. And that's why it doesn't go into this step, which is saving the transcript, because actually it's
Oh,
looking for something inside the entire web page, but it doesn't find it. So it just stopped the automation like it's okay. I didn't find anything. It ends
I
like right
see.
there. That's what
Okay.
that's the YouTube thing that changed and that's failing.
So maybe it was me. Let me go back to
Yeah,
oh here, I've got you pinned on the side here.
right.
Um,
Um, so
so
maybe if you
it's
look at the post, see if that was the right
oh the
link.
post, yeah. Let me go to
Just
the oh,
you can check on this.
so okay. So I went in here,
Okay, that's the supposed to be the right one.
but maybe I downloaded the wrong
Okay,
transcript.
it's named V2, so that's a good sign.
Right, but I think that's the same. Maybe not. Let me go to my downloads and look.
Yeah, maybe you can
Uh,
import it and we can check what it
sure.
looks like.
Uh, oops. So that got here. So is it
Yeah, I think that's the one you downloaded right now. Yeah, number one would be the second version of it.
okay? So it's this one,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so let's try this again. Let me go back. Oops.
Yeah, you can go to scenario.
Okay. So now I'm going to create a scenario, correct?
Yeah.
Go back down here. Okay. Now,
And that should be this
this
one.
one?
Well,
Or,
the one with the one that would be the second one you've saved.
oh, okay.
So that would be the last one
Got it.
that you just did.
Makes sense.
Let's see. Yeah, okay, it's different. See, this one is called differently, right? A bit
Ah,
shorter.
okay.
But
So,
yeah, I've left in the community. I've put like a little kind of a stop sign to say, hey, this was the old one.
right. So
Maybe.
what do I need to change in here? Just
So,
this last
well,
one to
yeah,
choose
yeah,
from?
you would need to select your own connection and like right here, that's the location where you want it to be saved.
Oh, so I have to create this location in my Google Docs.
No, no,
No.
just click right here on that automation test and it's gonna load your hierarchy and you can select wherever you want to store it now.
Oh, oh. How about automation?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Now I get it. So if I ran
Yeah, and you
this,
can, I mean, th this one is just did I do a video with it? Yeah,
Yeah,
that's what we
you
do. Okay.
or you put one in here. Is that what you mean?
Yeah, I put one just as a test, but you could put another one if you want, or just
Well, I mean, just to run it, I don't care what.
yeah,
Can I run that?
yeah. That should work.
Oh, that's what
Oh,
happened to me.
okay. Yeah, I should add that. So you can click on close,
Hmm.
and I think it's for this step. Yes, you just need to click that drop down, and you can just use that. I
Okay.
think the default one like this should work. You just need a key, but you don't need to put anything in that key.
Okay.
And now you should be able to save
Try it
and
again.
read.
Oh, save first.
Well, I guess yeah,
Where's my save again?
yeah, just this one.
Oh, oh yeah, of course. Okay, let's try that again. Ah,
Now
ah.
it works.
So
So
now if I go to my, oh, after it's done, if I
yeah,
go to my
now
Google
yeah,
Docs and I
you can
go
check it.
to, where's that automation one that I had? I had it recently, actually. There it is. Oh, look at, oh, wait, or is it? No,
No, that should be the first one. This one.
this one? Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the name of the.
Oh, look at that.
There you go.
Yay. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Yay. Okay. All right. Now that's exciting. Okay. All right. Good.
So
Now
yeah.
that's simple.
Yeah, this one
That's
is very
that's good.
simple. Yeah. I built it this way just so it's easy to share, but I think it's more meant to be now integrated into something where you do something with that transcript after, or
Okay.
even before how you get those URLs. So you can
Okay.
plug that section with something before or something after, like more steps, depending on
Okay.
what you do. I think I put that in a folder that I've called tools or something like this. I don't remember what, but
Thank you. Oh, that's great because that's right. I think I had actually downloaded this one first correctly, but
okay.
then when it gave me that error, I thought I had downloaded the wrong one, went
Oh, so you
back and
went and checked
downloaded.
the other one? Okay. And
Yeah.
then the one was completed successfully, but
So I thought,
didn't
oh,
do anything.
right. But I didn't
Yes.
look, I didn't understand, or I forgot to look for this green.
Yeah.
Yeah. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna rename this one so I know it's or put a star or something so I know this is the one that I want to save. Okay, great. Oh, thank you so much. That's great because
Yeah.
I do use that when I went to the old place I used to I didn't ever do the first one that you did, but when I went to this other place that I used to go where Jenna had originally, it didn't work anymore. And I was like,
Yeah, they had the same
oh,
problem. They were probably
right.
using the same thing on the page to get it, and now YouTube just changed the way they did it, and it just
Hmm.
failed for them as well.
And I
So
used it a lot. So I
yeah,
was kind of like, oh man, that was a bummer. So when you posted that, when I saw that this morning, I was like, oh yes, and I went right in and did it. And then I
yeah.
messed up. So
But yeah, now
thank you.
you can use that. And if you want something a bit more, I don't know, if you do a lot of them, because that's maybe not easy to go and update that first step for each of your videos. If you want
Mhm.
something like a bit better, maybe looking at a spreadsheet, we could change I mean, add
I
that
mean,
in
I don't
the
do
automation.
so many, that many, but and going in and changing that for me still is so much better
Yeah.
than something else. So I'm
But
I'm
if you
very
want,
grateful.
after that, if you think of something where that
Yeah,
could make your
okay.
life easier, we can
I'll think
absolutely
about
do
it.
that whenever you use it and you can think of something, just yeah, let me
Great.
know when we can do that.
Thank you. Thank you. This is big though. Now I'm excited because it really kind of stopped me in my tracks when that, when they changed it.
Stopped.
And
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, a lot of people are scrambling. I mean, I've seen also in Stephen's community that people were looking for a solution, and they are the one that I found, like this one. I don't know how sustainable it's gonna be. I'm a
right.
bit scared of that because I found another tool similar to the one you were using, the one
Hmm.
that Jenna uses, like that web page. But I saw that it was using, I inspected a bit the page, like the HTML was what was there. And I found that API that they were using. And I tried to connect to it and it just worked. And I'm like, oh, they do something different. And it's free. So I'm also on the other side, I'm also a bit hesitant to
Right.
share it everywhere
For the fear
because
that,
I'm like, if
yeah,
there's like, because we are doing automation, so even 10 people, 10-person using it, building something that they can hammer the uh, the API, and then they can
yeah,
decide, oh, we're gonna put some authentication and something
right,
that's gonna stop just anyone from using it.
right,
So I don't know. I don't know how sustainable it's gonna be. I'm still sharing it with the community.
right.
I've shared it with a few others that I've expressed on my post that they were looking really for a solution. But yeah, I don't know if I want to share it everywhere. I'm like,
Well, for now, I'll use it carefully and I
yeah,
will, but I am grateful because
yeah,
it, it was kind of a loss not having
yeah,
that
yeah.
for sure.
But
And
I'm
I,
sure
yeah,
we'll find more ways. This one is free, so that's good. I'm sure there will be some paid one with Rapid API and Apify. I don't know if you know
okay.
what
Yeah,
those
I
are.
know, I've heard of them.
Those are services where, for instance, I could build this automation that I know how to do, and I could sell the access on Rapid API. So
Okay.
you could build a service like this and then give it access through an API that
Hmm.
automation could connect, and you charge for the service. Like
Got it.
some people offer something for free for, let's say, 200 downloads a month, and after that, it's $10 for 5,000. And
Right.
so they
Okay.
do things like that. I'm sure we'll find some that works properly, but they're not really going to be free probably.
Right. Right.
So I don't
Right.
want to go there. I'm glad I found this one because
Yeah, I mean,
good.
because as Stephen has said, it adds up. Like it adds up
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
so
yeah.
fast, all these
And
things.
that's an alternative I'm gonna be exploring, but that's a big build. I'm gonna see if it does that inside. You know what it does with this? The Docker machine that you can download and run that can do some of
Right.
the processing that we
Right.
would do. We could add a YouTube downloader because I think they are not impacted by that change from YouTube, but there are some program that are free that you can download and use on your computer to just download the transcript or download videos or interact with YouTube. The only thing is if you do that on your computer, you are kind of stuck. You have to do it like right on the computer. You can't
Oh,
have
I see.
make.com connect to this.
Right.
But what Stephen is doing is building something that's packaged and can be deployed on a server that can you can connect through an API basically and get access to those kind of service.
I see.
So I'm thinking of doing maybe at some point something similar for the YouTube. That could be something if those ones starts to fail, and
Right.
but
Right.
that's gonna be a lot of work.
Yeah. And will it pay off, pay off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
So
I'll, if anything happens for me, I'll let you know that
yeah, if
if it,
if you find it that it doesn't work anymore or something like
I'll
that.
let you know for
Yeah,
sure. But
I
I'm
think it's
definitely going to use it.
yeah. Yeah, I mean, feel free. You can go for it because even if you download 10 or 15 per day, that should be okay.
Oh yeah, I won't do that many, but I will, use several because I really was, like I said, at a loss. So this is
Yeah.
so that's why I said I went in there right away. As soon as I saw that this morning, I was like, I'm doing this. So thank
Yeah.
you. Thank you very much.
Yeah, no problem. And I mean, when that happens, you can also reach out to me and see if I have a solution somewhere. Because I've been having this one for maybe a week or two, and I've been on vacation, so doing the video and all that. But I could have released and send you at least the automation to test out before.
Okay,
Because I've been
yeah,
sending it out to a few people who ask me just for testing it out as well, because I wasn't sure.
yeah.
So,
Well, I'm excited because I'm going to use it. So thank you so much. Thank you. I'm not
nice.
going to keep you today because I have to head out too, but I did want to catch you.
Yeah, no, perfect, perfect.
And
But
have,
if you have still 5 minutes,
yes,
maybe I can talk to you about something. Let me
absolutely.
stop the
I do
recording. I'm
still have
gonna
5